to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to navigate our Etsy page. The first thing you're going to do, of course, is if you come across our page, you're going to either search us up here in the search bar, or you are going to type us into your web browser, or you came across us, one of the few. Kayshawn, really? Please, I'm trying to film a video.
What?
You're interrupting my video.
What video?
Oh my God. Now you're opening my door.
You said a video.
Yes.
What video?
You're interrupting my video.
What video?
The video I'm trying to make.
Of what?
Of my Etsy store.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, back to what I was saying. Okay, so if you come across our Etsy store, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to navigate our Etsy store. So the first step is going to be coming across us, and then we have all of these options on the side. We have the options for items that are on sale, thank you cards, business cards, jewelry cards, aftercare cards, loyalty cards, refer a friend cards, business signs, accessories, and gift certificates. We will definitely be adding more to our shop soon. You can also request a custom order if you need, or you can contact the shop owner. You'd have to sign in to do all that. We're not going to do that today. So, in the event where you are looking for thank you cards, you're going to come here, you're going to take a scroll around, scroll. You're going to look for the ones you like. Go back. I like this one. So we're going to go ahead. You're going to take a look at what we have. Receiving your order. How to edit. You edit in Canva. These are the steps. So your first step is going to be download it, edit it in Canva, and then print it. Here this has our price. It's currently on sale. This is how you would add it to basket. This is how you will download it, and then here is our description. So I would recommend reading our description. It explains everything, how to customize, the size it comes in, terms and conditions. Instantly download. Bink. If you need to message me, you just click here.